cheese, and the camera will take a picture. Like this. Cheese! Then it pops out here. Cool.
My turn. Cheese!
Bread, cheese, bread. Cheese sandwich.
Cheese!
Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese!
Octoblock pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cheese!
That looks really good.
My turn.
Oops. Sorry.
Sorry. Cheese, not sneeze. Why do I always sneeze?
Sorry.
That's an idea.
Oh, that feels so much better. No more sneezing. I'm cured.
What?
Hang on.
This isn't right.
We've got the hiccups.
Oh,
It's okay. I think it stopped. Oh, I've got to get rid of these hiccups.
oh, I know how to cure hiccups. You stand on your head.
I think it's working.
Hang on, I know another one. Drink a glass of water backwards.
Harder than it sounds.
Oh,
Oh.
we need help.
Have no fear. Octoblock is here.
Oh.
He's got hiccups.
I know what to do. Octoblock! Boo! Sorry. That usually works.
Hiccups? Don't worry. I've got this. Lucky, 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 lucky. Oh!
Oh.
Try that.
Out of my way. Coming through. Got 6 hiccup cures for you. Let's roll. 6. Cure number 6 it is. Boo!
Jeez.
Great photo, everyone.
No more hiccups. Ah. So that's how you cure them.
Squares. Ever since one of us fell from the sky, we have been bold explorers, discovering new lands, seeking out new friends, dealing with round things.
Round things.
Well, I say it's time to tackle the ultimate round thing, the moon. Let's solve the puzzle of how to put a square on the moon without using rockets. Square power only. Why? Because it's fun to try.
Brilliant. I'll be test pilot.
But how do we get you all the way?
Achoo!
Sorry, all the way up there.
We call in some friends. Some big square friends.
49 commencing rainbow test flight. All systems checking out. 7 by 7. Wish me luck. Wow! Whoa! Yowzer! Didn't get that high, but I did just invent the square rainbow. Guess you've got to give it a go to get lucky.
There you are. This way, I've got so much to show you. I am 64, and I can be a strong square, a chessboard, a super rectangle, 8 octoblocks, or even a super cube. But today, I want to show you a little trick I call binary boosters. Using the power of doubles to send any number flying. First, I split into 32 and 16.
And 8. And 4.
And 2.
And 1. And 1 more to press the big red button. Then you choose who's going up.
1 of me.
And none of me.
And 1 of me. And 1 of me.
And none of me.
And 1 of me. And fire!
45 way up high.
Amazing! But not a square.
Wait and see.
We're 2 squares.
The edge of space. Nearly there.
Amazing! We sent a square to the edge of space without rockets. We just need a little more power.
Achoo!
What was that sound?
Why, that would be me, of course. I'm feeling a tiny bit... Achoo!
That's 1 mega sneeze.
Oh, you think that's impressive? Hold on to your blocks. You're going to love this. Prepare for launch in Shoo!
We have liftoff.
Primary launch stage completed. Engaging secondary stage.
We've reached space. Second stage complete.
Entering lunar orbit. Launching lunar lander. Achoo!
The square has landed.
We did it! The only thing left now is to plant the Square Club flag.
Numberland, we have a problem. I forgot the flag.
Don't worry, little one. I'll take care of this.
100.
And I promise.
No rockets.
Square power only.
Hello. Looking for this?
Hello, 4.
Hello, 8. Guess what?
What?
I'm a square.
I know.
I'm the only square in the world.
Yes, I know.
I'm the only square in the world.
Have no fear. Octoblock is here. Octoblock, rearrange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rearrange. How's this?
You're a square with a...
With a hole.
That doesn't really count.
Oh, I'm sorry, 4.
Hole. Me.
Huh?
Me. Hole. Look.
8
+1
equals
9. I am 9, and I feel fine.
square.
Hello.
Big square!
Oh!
2 big squares!
Anyone got a head key? A bit of a tickly nose. Time.
-1.
Equals 8. A square!
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, like me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners, like me.
Yes, I'm a square, like you.
So why do you have a number 9 on top, silly?
I'll show you.
1, 2, 3, 3 blocks in my first row. 1, 2, 3, 3 blocks in my second. 1, 2, 3, 3 blocks in my third row. 3 rows of 3, 3 rows combine. As you can see, 3 rows of 3 make 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh, tickly nose. I'm fine.
1, 2, 3, 3 blocks in a column. 1, 2, 3, 3 blocks top to bottom. 1, 2, 3, 3 blocks if you got 'em. 3 lots of 3, 3 in a line. As you can see,
3 lots of 3 make 9.
that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm 3 blocks up and down, and 3 from side to side. I'm the same in both directions. I'm as tall as I am wide. That's why I'm square like you. I'm 3 by 3, you're 2 by 2.
I'm 2 by 2, you're 3 by 3.
That's why you're square like me.
We seem a very unlikely pair, but now you've explained it, I see the squareness we share. I'm 2 blocks up and down, and 2 from side to side. I'm the same in both directions. I'm as tall as I am wide.
That's why I'm square like you. I'm 3 by 3.
I'm 2 by 2.
That's why I'm square.
Oh. Yes, I am square like you.
I'm 3 by 3. You're 2 by 2.
I'm 2 by 2. You're 3 by 3.
That's why you're square.
That's why you're square.
That's why you're square like me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Squares.
Hello, 9. What's the matter?
1 smaller. I always get 1 smaller.
Huh?
Every time I sneeze, I get 1 smaller.
Oh.
See? Why can't I ever get 1 bigger?
Maybe you can. Stand tall.
9
Plus 1 equals
10. I am 10. Say it again. I am 10. Watch this. 10
minus 1 equals...
9.
You're amazing.
1 bigger. You're 1 bigger.
Why do you have a 1 on top?
If you're wondering why there's a 1 on top, you'll know the answer when you realize I'm 1 big block, I'm 1 big perfect 10. I'm a 10 block, I'm a 10 block. You might think we're different, think again. We're more alike than you 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 is made of 2 blocks.
I'll always be your friend.
3 will entertain you.
On that you can depend.
I'm 2 ones.
And I'm 3 ones.
And I'm 10 ones, which means I'm 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 is made of 4 blocks.
I love to be a square.
5 is made of 5 blocks.
High 5 there and there.
I'm 4 ones.
And I'm 5 ones.
And I'm 10 ones, which means I'm 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, why have you got that round thing next to your 1?
It's a 0. I need my 0 hovering in space. It's there to keep my 1 in place. And if you're wondering what it's for, it shows you I'm not 1. I'm 110 and nothing more. 6 is made of 6 blocks.
I like to roll the dice.
7's made of 7.
In a rainbow.
That looks nice.
I'm 6 ones. I'm 7 ones.
And I'm 10 ones, which means I'm 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8 is made of
Octoblocks.
And if you add 1 more,
9 is made of 9 blocks.
I'm a bigger square than 4.
I'm 8 ones.
And I'm 9 ones.
And I'm 10 ones, which means I'm 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can be 2 lots of 5 or 5 lots of 2. In other words, 5 pairs. I can be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 when you need to go upstairs. I'm a 10 block. I'm a 10 block. You might think we're different, think again. We're all just made of counting blocks. You're 1, 1,
and you're 10 ones.
which means I'm 110.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10. Look at it go! Oh, mind that tree.
Can you get it down?
Me? Maybe we should just get 10. 10 is taller than I am.
We don't need 10. You're a big square. You can do anything.
Oh, right. Well, maybe if I take a run up.
That's it. Go 9.
Whoa! Achoo!
Maybe we should get 10.
9 equals
3 plus 3 plus 3. Roll up, roll up, roll up. We 3 are the 3 threes. The most amazing, the most incredible, the most extraordinary acrobats in Numberland. Drum roll, please, as we present the 3 threes on the flying trapeze. 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals
9.
9! You did it!
Did what? Oh, yes. It was nothing, really.
Quick, stop them!
Oh. There are too many! We need help!
Help? I can do this myself. 9 equals
3 plus 3 plus 3. will seize these with great ease. Drum roll, please. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals
9. You did it again!
I did? Of course I did.
Could someone open this jar of honey, please?
Never fear! Octoblock is here!
Stand aside, 8. You can leave this to me. 9 equals
3 plus 3 plus 3. We 3 are the 3 threes.
So that's how he did it.
I shall open the jar by firing into it from a cannon. No, I shall dive from up high and split the lid in 3. No, I will fearlessly jump over the jar on my tricycle, causing it to open with sheer amazement. Oh dear. Plus 3 plus 3 equals
9. Oh.
I knew you could do it, 9! Squares are the best!
3, you're early. I mean, you can't come in.
But it's the 3 Club meeting.
Yes, but it's such a lovely day. Why don't you go bird watching first?
I love bird watching.
Great. See you later.
Oh, oops. Forgot my trinoculars. Trinoculars. Oh, some sort of party. Oh, 15. She told me not to come in. Better not let her see me. Ha! 2 3s are
6. Thank you, 6. You're early. Yep, just me. Definitely not 3. Hush, hush. Remember, whatever you do, don't let 3 in.
a party. How exciting! But we're not supposed to be here. Let's go before... It's 6. Quick, hide! Oh. 3 3s are...
9.
Hello, 9. Why, this looks fine. You haven't seen 3, have you?
Just me, myself and I.
Good. Mustache, but I'll be back in a flash.
Oh.
Nice hat.
Oh.
That was close. Let's go before... It's real 9! Hide! No! Oh, no! 4 3s are... 12!
Funny. I thought I heard 3.
It's just you and me.
Good. Remember, don't let 3 eat you.
Come back here, you!
I've got a plan. We make 1 more 3. And then... we can just walk out the door disguised as 5 3s are...
15.
What about us? I know. 5 3s are...
15. You can't be 15.
We're...
15. The party's in here. Come on, everyone. Hush, hush. It's 15. Everybody hide.
6 3s are...
18!
There you are. Everyone find a place to hide. When 30 arrives with 3, we'll all jump out and say, surprise!
Got it!
Okie dokie dookly.
18? I thought you were here already.
No. 7 threes are 21. No, just me back here. Exploring for a good place to hide.
Hope I'm not late, everyone.
And one more 3 is super duper. I mean, it's me. 24. Gosh, is 3 here yet?
It's me, 9 threes. 27. Ah, here we are. Is that all of us? Need a hand, 30?
Here whoops. Did you say 3 had gone bird watching, 15? I couldn't find her anywhere.
Oh, drat! We can hardly have a surprise party for 3 without 3.
The party is for me?
Well, of course, you're the founding member of 3 Club. Everyone in 3 Club is...
Made of 3s.
There'd be no 3 Club without you. The one and